Do you see something wrong here? I see something wrong here. I have a header and I also have a footer, but they're not very clear. When I look at this, if I look at this for the very first time, I don't think those are the two lines I should be looking at. I should be looking everywhere, right? Maybe this green dot. I want to color the header and the footer. So I will do that with Format, Alternating Colors. What's really cool about this is that I can add a footer, and I can also put it into a cool color, and that color is going to match the header and the footer. So now the header and the footer have some relationship. I say, okay, what is my total sales? Well, I can look down and I can see another highlighted green right there. Overall, this looks much cleaner and much nicer to be able to say, hey, we have the total sales right here. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.